Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Saturn token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Saturn is a structured finance protocol for digital credit. USDAT is the protocol's stablecoin backed by tokenized US treasuries. USDAT holders can stake their tokens to receive USDT at gaining economic exposure to STRC. Saturn token total supply is 95.38 million and circulating supply is also 95.38 million USD token. USD token is listed on Curve, PancakeSwap, V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.